Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking a first look at a true rarity in 2025, a naturally aspirated V8 sports sedan. Yep, we are talking about the Lexus IS500 Ultimate Edition, and trust me, this one's special. It's hard to believe, but Lexus is still selling a V8 powered compact sedan. No turbos, no electric motors, just pure engine and soul. That's rare these days. This beast packs a 5.0-liter V8 pushing 472 horsepower, and it does it the old-school way, with air, fuel, spark, and a lot of growl. And now, Lexus is celebrating this engineering throwback with a limited run of just 500 Ultimate Edition models. Now, this isn't just a badge and decals kind of special edition, Lexus went all in. Here's what's different. Bigger brakes, you get massive 15-inch front rotors with red 6-piston Brembo calipers. New wheels, lightweight 19-inch BBS forged wheels replace the regular NK ones. Exclusive color, a slick new shade called Wind, a cool grey that looks awesome with the matte black wheels. Inside, Lexus adds some unique touches. Red seat belts, red accents on the gauges and the analog clock. An Ultimate Edition startup animation on the digital display. Small touch, but super cool. Circuit red and black theme all over, using Nulux faux leather and suede. There's even a numbered badge so you know which of the 500 you own. Under the hood, it's the same awesome V8 from the regular IS500, 472 horsepower, 395 pound-ft of torque, and power going straight to the rear wheels through an 8-speed automatic. It's not the fastest out there, but it's got character. You feel everything, the revs, the sound, the drive. That's something you just don't get with turbocharged or electric alternatives. Now, the big question, is this the end of the V8 IS? Lexus calling it the Ultimate Edition might be a hint that this is the V8's farewell. The IS is nearing the end of its life cycle, and while the regular IS500 is still listed on Lexus' website for now, this could be its swan song. Honestly, we hope not. The world needs at least one small, naturally aspirated V8 sedan. So, what do you think? Would you grab one of these 500 Ultimate Editions? Or are you saving your garage for something else? Let us know in the comments, hit that like button if you love the sound of a good V8 and don't forget to subscribe for more car content coming your way. See you in the next one.